Congratulations to 𝘕𝘰𝘯𝘦. You are the winner of $25 worth of Ethereum. If you guys want to know how you can win $25 of Ethereum, keep watching this video. I'm going to explain it later. And Dave, just email me and I'll tell you exactly how the instructions to get the $25 worth of Ethereum. Okay. When I tell you later, the video is going to say that it's $10, but it's actually going to be $25. Okay, let's get it. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘺𝘰, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me. So if you watch my previous video, which is over here, I talk about how Zen will now come out with NFTs. These NFTs will allow you to mint and then claim your Zen coins in 100 wallet packs. And these all happens directly through OpenSea. I think they have a partnership with them. So now I'm going to give you, now there's a testnet that comes out. I'm going to just go straight into it and show you exactly how to do this process. So the first place that you want to go to is this website, testnet.zen/Xenft. And then it's going to just be blank like this, talking about errors. So you need to connect your wallet. Another screen comes up, and then I'm going to connect my first wallet. Go all the way down, click next, connect to 2 accounts, sure, whatever. So I just reload this page, make sure that everything works fine. Yeah, so as you can see, I have 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘕 right here. I own no XENFTs right now, no data, and I need to mint some new XENFTs. So I click new mint XENFTs, and then this VMU count is actually the virtual minting unit. It pretty much just means a wallet. So a virtual wallet created by smart contract controlled by you through the same contract. No one has the keys to these wallets. Access to them is controlled by XENFT that you receive. Actual possible counting of VMUs is determined by the network block gas limit. So this pretty much says how many wallets do I want to create and then put Zen coins inside of these wallets. So let's just do, for example purposes, let's do 50. The maximum amount that you can do is 100. And the term limit, the maximum amount of term limit days is 100 days. Okay, so right now, and I can't really add any XenFT to my wallet. It gives me the error right here at the bottom. You can't really see it. So that's because I don't have the 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘕 testnet connected directly to my account. What I need to do is go click that right there, and then click add network. Special announcement. I'm almost approaching 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for rocking with me, for being with me. And as a reward, I'm going to be hosting a sweepstakes, okay? So this sweepstakes, I'm picking one lucky winner in each of the following 10 videos, okay, that I have. And I'm giving each of them $10 in Ethereum. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. This video, I want you to copy and paste either my YouTube profile, page link, or the URL to this video itself. I want you to then, number 2, send it to 1 or 2 of your friends, or maybe more. And then number 3, I want you to write in the comments below, I'm sharing the greatest channel of all time with my friends. Write it down in the comments below. I'm sharing the greatest channel of all time with my friends, because I'm going to go through the comments and then randomly pick one of the users that writes that in the comments, and then I'm going to give them the $10. Okay. So I'm going to start announcing the winners starting October 31st, Halloween. Ooh, scary. And from then I'm going to then announce a new winner every single video after that. So all I have to do is go right here to type in go early. Test network, type that in there, then click this right there, the test network, and then you see all the go early information that's displayed right here. So it works and everything, but the problem is that it's not going to be displayed. So you have to go over here and make sure that you click this right here, show test networks. Okay, and once you do that and you come up to your MetaMask, you'll see that the go early test network works right now. Okay, so perfect. And then we have the go early test network. Okay, it works right now. Then we have to mint new NFTs. The problem is that I don't have any go early coins in my wallet. So we go right here to this website and, with the mint NFTs and everything. And then I need to make sure that I go to the go early test network. Okay. Then I go to XenFTs again. Then I ask to mint some new XenFTs. Like I said, I'm going to put in 50 wallets or 50 VMUs, and I'm going to have a term limit of 100 days. Then I click mint, goes right here. Okay, so I don't have any 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘕. Damn, so that's a problem. Then I need to go to a new website. I go to 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘕faucet.com. And then I'm going to have to sign up for this, okay? So I'm just going to quickly sign up through it. Make your team whatever you want it to be. Click what you want to do, NFTs, whatever, DeFi. Most popular, we're going to do through Ethereum, and then do free, and then click skip for now, unless you want to add your information about that. What you have to do is you have to copy and paste your wallet address from the MetaMask. Just copy and paste it like that. They send me ETH, and then the ETH will go into your account pretty soon. In fact, I think it's in there right now. Yeah, so I have 0.2 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘕 come out of here. So then I come back to the 0 NFTs that I owned. I click mint a new XEN'Ft, 50 VMUs, 100 days, click mint XEN'Ft, and then it's going to ask me to confirm it. So I have to pay 0.013 Ethereum to mint these 50 wallets, which is, kind of expensive, but it's going to cost a little bit more when it actually comes out. That's about $18. This 0.013 is about $18, but when it actually comes out, it's going to be about $100 for us to mint the 50 wallets. And there we have it. These are my NFTs that I have. 100 days, 100 days, the term limit. All I have to do now is just click on it. And once I click on it, it's going to then send me to the OpenSea website. Okay. And I am wallet 32,521. Term limit is 100 days, and you can see my C ranks. Because I did 50 days, my C rank is from 29,035 to 29,084. That's about 50 VMUs, okay? And this AMP is 2942. The EAA is 9%, okay? And as you can see, it's going to mature because I did 100 days. It's going to mature February 18th, 2023. If you do the calculations of a 100-day maturity of Zen crypto, so the mint term days is 100. The new users, let's say it's about 1,000, although it's going to be way more than that. But let's just be conservative and say that's going to be 1,000. And then the AMP is 2942. Okay, and the ENA is 9%. So when I click all that, 3,195,000. Okay, now we take that 3,195,000. We go to CoinMicroCap, see how much Zen that actually is. So just for one of these wallets, it's going to give us $50. Okay. So one of these wallets is going to give us $50 in 100 days. I just did 50 wallets. So 50 times 50 is $2,500. I'm going to get $2,500 in 100 days just for minting these wallets. And it cost me about $18, maybe even it costs about $100. I turn $100 into $2,500. And you can do the maximum. So we can even double that. Instead of me getting $2,500, I can get $5,000. Really, really amazing. So yeah. Just play with this, have fun with it. And I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Watch this video.